Basics of JavaScript Coding. Created by Laurence Svekis. Curriculum for this course. Learning JavaScript Core Concepts. JavaScript Basics Introduction. JavaScript Basics Intro. How to add JavaScript to your web page. JavaScript Basics Output Content. JavaScript Basics The Document Object Model. JavaScript Basics Variables and Operators. JavaScript Basics Functions. Source Code Practice. JavaScript Basics DOM Output. JavaScript Basics Arrays. JavaScript Basics Conditions. JavaScript Basics Loops. Source Code Arrays Loops Conditions. Thank you. todaycourses.com